welcome. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Chic Beauty Box. They just sent it over for me to unbox for you guys and to review, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, as always, we embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment, drama, and stress-free zone. So stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell because I'm always uploading over here, guys, 5 days a week, 12:15 Eastern time, and I'd love to have you as part of the family. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what the Chic Beauty Box is. Now, this is actually the second box that I've had that they were kind enough to send over my way. If there is a coupon available, I will pop it up on the screen for you guys. So what they say online, I'm directly on their website. It says the Chic Beauty Box is $34.99, and you get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products every other month, again for $34.99. Now, for some reason, I'm thinking you do get to customize one of the items in here, but I could be wrong on that. It does. Oh my golly geez. Okay, guys, so the first item that I see in here, is there a card? Let me check real quick. Hold on. I'm always so prepared. Okay, there's not a card in here, but so I'll just show you guys all the products in here. The first one is by Clarins. This is a SOS Pure. It looks like maybe it's a mask. Let's open this up. It's full set. Clarins is expensive. Yes, it's a rebalancing clay mask. Let me look up the information and how much it is for you guys. I have a couple Clarins things and like it's nice. Okay, so this SOS Pure Rebalancing Clay Mask for oily skin does have a retail value of $34, and it says try our SOS Clay Mask with Alpine Willow Herb to remove impurities, downsize pores, and defy shine. Leave skin clean, refreshed, and glowing. So that is nice. I could definitely probably use that in my T-zone at the very least. So that's awesome. And again, this box is $34.99. This first product we pulled out was $34. Next in here, let me open this up. It looks like it's by Milk Makeup, and it says it's an eye pigment. It was in this cute little thing and the lid flipped off. Hold on. So it was in like this. So this is an eye pigment by Milk Makeup. Let me look this up as well. Okay, so I'm on Sephora's website right now. It does have a retail value, it looks like, of $24. It says it's a vivid, highly pigmented cream shadow in a portable tube that delivers a bold color. Let's go ahead and open it up. I have never checked this out. Ooh, it's really pretty. Ooh, this is good for this. This would match what I have on my eyes today. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's like really iridescent. Yeah, I could totally, let's pop a little bit on my eyes. Why not? I'm not leaving the house. By the way, if you're curious about my top, I'll link it down below for you guys if it's still available. It's just off of Amazon. Does anyone else shop Amazon clothes? Because like, there's some cute things there. I'm like 4 feet away from my mirror, so hopefully that looks okay. That is neat. Okay, I'm happy with this. So like I said, it has a retail value of $24. The one I did find on Sephora is on sale for $12, but this one is in the shade Jam Room, so it's not on Sephora's website. So I'm excited to that. Okay, again, $34 box. I feel like we have totally gotten our money's worth. Okay, so the next item I see here, oh my gosh, so excited about this. This is by NARS. This is the Power Pigment Lip Pigment, or the Power Matte Lip Pigment. This is in the shade Get Up, Stand Up. Ooh. This is the bright color. Let's swatch. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I will wear this. This is a nice summery color. I think what I'll probably do, knowing me, because this is definitely really berry toned compared to what I'm used to, but I'll probably ombre it a little bit, lighten it up in the center, but it's a really pretty color. I already have one in the shade Lowrider, and I have to say this formula is so comfortable. I have to say I really like the Powermatte formula, so I'm very excited to see this in the box. And like I said, I put the Lowrider next to it. The Lowrider is kind of similar. This has more of, I have gamers in the house, sorry guys, but this is a little bit more of like a berry pink tone to it, so really happy with this. That's the one thing I always tell you guys about subscription boxes is you kind of gotta sometimes step outside your comfort zone, especially when it comes to like shades like this. This is not something that I would go into the store and pick up or order online. They kind of freak me out. So when they put these things in the box, they're like, you have to try it. I'm like, and then I end up loving it. So, you know, and I mean, expensive stuff, guys. We're getting expensive stuff. The next item I see in here is the Too Faced Twinkle Twinkle Liquid Eyeshadow. What is, so we're gonna get two. Ooh, now this is pretty. So this is in the shade, let's see here, Pink Champagne Sugar, and I've never tried this before. It seems to be similar to, oh yeah, similar to like one of those Stila Glitter and Glows, I think is what it's called. That is a really pretty color. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised here, guys. So I just looked this up by Too Faced, and it has a retail value of $22. This box is amazing, guys. And I still have one more item. So let's recap real quick. We got the Clarins mask that was like $34. We got the Milk makeup that even on sale was $24, but on sale was like $12, but it wasn't even the shade. This is a doable shade. This, $22, the Too Faced Twinkle Twinkle Little Glitter Eyeshadow, and the NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment, which I think is like a $26 value. This is crazy. The last item, oh, the last item is by Maybelline. This is the Burgundy Bar makeup palette. This is actually really pretty. Those are really pretty colors. Let's see how much the retail value of this is. So it looks like this has a retail value of $11.99. You guys, everything in this box is beautiful. And what I love is the fact that I feel like this Milk makeup product will match this eyeshadow palette, as well as the Too Faced liquid eyeliner or eyeshadow will match this as well. Like, how nice is that? This box was $34. Like I said, it's bi-monthly. Let me know down below what you guys' thoughts are. I am very, very pleased with this. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but I would honestly, if it was me, I would spend the money for it. I think that this was a really good box. I love the fact that, like I said, it kind of gets you outside your comfort zone as far as the colors go, but at the same time, it brings you back and you're comfortable with the shades and the colors as well. So it's not like completely outside the comfort zone. Like I said, I want to say that if you do have an account, I think you do get to pick one of the items in here. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure you do get to do that. So anyways, guys, if you are interested in signing up for the Chic Beauty Box, I will leave it linked down below. Like I said, if there is a coupon code available for you guys, I will also have that for you guys. I'll pin it in the comment section. If you guys are curious about what is on my eyes other than the Milk makeup that you guys saw me put on, I do have the Carly Bible palette on, and I have a Get Ready With Me that will be coming up. It is a very long one. So like if you guys want to put it on like talking fast mode, but you want to watch the whole thing, your girl would greatly appreciate it. Just saying. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around, subscribe, share this with your friends if you feel like your friends may be interested in the Chic Beauty Box or just watching this train wreck in action. I will have everything linked and listed down below for you guys. And again, thank you guys for stopping by. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.
I understand that one of the reasons I feel sad all the time is because I keep putting crappy food into my body. Yes, 1000%. Am I about to order fast food for the 4th time today because I'm an emotional eater? Yes, 1000%.